Rest in peace, my love. You're wondering what happened. This shoe's overdosed, man. Not with what you're thinking. Someone just went way too hard with the shoe cream. But don't worry, bro. This story's getting a happy ending. I'm Clyde, and I'm here to fix this mess. This should have never happened, and I'll tell you why. When you go overboard with shoe cream, I get it. You mean well, more is more, right? But here's the deal. That cream doesn't soak in. It just hardens on the surface like old gum under a desk. Then it gets sticky, impossible to shine, looks like a mess. And worst of all, it stains your pants. Nobody wants that kind of drama on their jeans, bro. And because I'm a nice guy, I'll show you exactly how much shoe cream you should be using. Just the right amount. Sounds simple, but trust me, it's better if I show you. So first things first, we're giving this beauty a proper clean. Think of it like a detox for your kicks. Now watch closely, bro. No need to measure or weigh anything here. Just copy what I do, it's that simple. See that? Just a little bit goes a long way. You gotta spread it real good. The leather drinks it up. No sticky spots. No messy blobs of cream all over the place. Clean, smooth, just how we like it. After a short dry down, all it needs is a light buff. Easy peasy, and you're gonna love the result. I guarantee it. You can trust Clyde, bro. Just watch. It practically shines itself. See that? No stickiness, no staining, not even greasy. Just smooth and shiny like it's fresh out of the box. Did I make your day? Sorry for that morbid start, but it's actually super important. You want your shoes to last, right? So now, make Clyde happy. Smash that like button and go try it yourself, all right? See you next time. Your Clyde.